Hey everyone, do you regret accidentally deleting your important data from your device? If yes, then you may have looked for ways to get it back. The internet is filled with numerous software that claim to restore your permanently deleted files, but they fail to keep their promise. Moreover, they lack the ability to handle a large amount of data recovery from hard drives and external disks such as pen drive, hard drive, SD cards, etc. Even if they do, they cannot repair the corrupted files. In case you have used one of such fake recovery software, then do not worry. In today's video, I will tell you one of the trusted and most used data recovery tools known as Stellar Data Recovery Professional. It can recover large amounts of deleted data from PCs and other devices. Moreover, Stellar Data Recovery Professional is equipped with some advanced features like Stellar Drive Monitor, data recovery from BitLocker encrypted drives, and crashed PCs, etc. In terms of system requirements and compatibility, Stellar Data Recovery for Windows requires a minimum 4GB RAM to support fast scan and recovery operations. It can run on Windows 11, 10, 8.1, 8, and 7 with 64-bit operating systems. Moreover, Stellar Windows Data Recovery is less than 95 MB in size and occupies only 250 MB of your PC's hard drive. Now let's move on to the installation of Stellar Data Recovery Professional. The installation process is as short and easy as any other installation. First, go to their official website and download Stellar Data Recovery Professional on your Windows PC. The link is given in the description below. It will take a few seconds to download and set up the exe file. Now, double-click the downloaded exe file to start the installation and select the Allow button to make changes on your PC. Choose your language from the drop-down list and click on OK. Then, click on the Next button. Select the I accept the agreement option and again click on Next. After that, click Next to select the Start menu folder. Finally, click on the Install button and wait for a few seconds. Once the installation is done, select Finish to launch Stellar Data Recovery for Windows on your PC. Now, you will be able to see Stellar Data Recovery's user interface. Click on the cart icon to buy a license. Once you have made the purchase, an activation key will be sent to your registered email address. If you already have the activation key, then click on the key icon and enter the activation key to activate the Stellar Data Recovery for Windows on your PC. Stellar Data Recovery Professional has many useful features that stand out from other recovery software such as preview options, quick and deep scan modes, Stellar Drive Monitor, recovery of deleted data from physical disk, and crash PCs. Moreover, it can extract deleted data from BitLocker drives as well. Another thing that I liked about this data recovery software is that you can customize it according to your needs with advanced settings. Here, I will show you how you can use advanced settings to make your Stellar Data Recovery fit for you. To access the advanced settings, I clicked on the hamburger icon on the top left corner of the Stellar user interface. Then, I selected the settings option. Here you can see multiple icons like preview, file list, add or edit file type, languages, etc. The preview function allows you to see your recoverable photos and videos in safe mode. Here you can either turn it off or on according to your preference. However, if you turn on this option, then it may slow down the scanning speed. Stellar Data Recovery Professional is capable of restoring more than 100 file formats such as audio, video, photo, document, etc. Moreover, it can easily recover archive and application files. Furthermore, you can add a file type to the Stellar Data Recovery app with the Add or Edit File Type option. To do this, first open the Advanced Settings and select the Add or Edit File Type icon. Now, click on I don't know how to add file type, then click on the drop-down list under the Select Group. For demo purposes, I am selecting Document. Next, enter average file size. Let's write 10 KB in the box. OK, as you can see, we need to add at least 10 samples in this big box. To do that, I have prepared a special folder of Word file format. So let's click on this tiny add button and add Word files with a Ctrl+A shortcut key. Next, select the Open button and all Word files will be transferred into this box. After this, click on Add File Type and finally select OK. The Resume Recovery function shows unfinished scans that can be resumed by selecting the Scan tab and clicking on the Resume Recovery button. Stellar Data Recovery Pro includes the most used languages like Japanese, German, French, Italian, Hindi, Portuguese, Spanish, Korean, etc. You can choose any of these languages for your convenience. Stellar Data Recovery has a simple user interface. Here you can choose what kind of file you want to recover on your PC. You can select a specific file type such as audio, videos, images, documents, emails, etc. Or click on All Data option to get back all types of files at once. Like most data recovery software, Stellar has two scanning modes. The first one is Quick Scan mode, which restores recently deleted files quickly but cannot recover older data. The second is Deep Scan mode, which recovers old deleted data but it takes a long time. Now I will run various data recovery tests to check the performance of both recovery modes. Moreover, I will check whether Stellar Data Recovery can retrieve data from the recycle bin and external drives or not. Let's recover permanently deleted files first. I have permanently deleted a folder with videos from the new volume F and I will get them back through Quick Scan. First, select Folders and Videos, then click on Next. Selecting the location where I had deleted my videos. So I will select New Volume F. After this, I am clicking on the Scan button. The Quick Scan was super fast. Now, I am selecting the Recover button and clicking on Browse option to select a different location for a successful recovery. Finally, I have clicked on the Start Saving button and wait while the recovery is done. Now since the recovery is over, let's play all the recover videos one by one. As you can see, the recover videos are intact. In case you have mistakenly emptied your recycle bin, then do not worry, because I am going to show you how you can retrieve them back on your PC. First, select the type of file you want to get back or select all data from the Stellar Data Recovery dashboard, then click on Next. If you want to restore a large amount of data, then you can select Drive, toggle on the Deep Scan option and click on Scan. However, I want to restore my permanently deleted photos from the recycle bin. That's why I am going to select a specific location by clicking on Choose Location and then selecting the Scan button. Once I have clicked on the Scan button, the Quick Scan shows me a tree view of all deleted photos from the Pictures folder. But that's not what I am looking for. What I want to do is to retrieve the deleted images from the recycle bin. And to do that, I am going to click on Deleted List. With this, Stellar will trigger the Deep Scan mode automatically. Next, I will click on Yes and wait until the Deep Scan is over. Now I have a quick tip for you. If you want to speed up the Deep Scan, then turn off the Preview option. As you can see, Stellar has completed scanning and here is a recycle bin folder. Now I am deselecting all folders and selecting the recycle bin folder. After this, click on Recover and select a destination to save recovered files. Lastly, click on Start Saving and check the restored files. To check the recovered data, go to the recovery location in File Explorer and open the files. You can easily restore permanently deleted data from physical drives such as SD cards, USB drives, hard drives, etc. First, connect your external drive to your PC and launch Stellar Data Recovery. Now select the file types. For example, I select the All Data option and click on Next. After this, click on the connected physical drive and select the Scan button. Then we will wait until the scanning is done. If the app is taking a long time to complete the deep scan, then you can pause the scan by clicking on the Stop button and selecting Yes to recover the scanned files. As you can see, Stellar is showing a tree view of all scanned files. Now, I can preview and select the recoverable files that I want to restore on my PC. Let's click on the Recover button and select the recovery destination. Finally, click on Start Saving and the deleted data will be recovered in no time. Now, we will see how these files are working one by one. You can restore your formatted drives using the same process. After testing Stellar Data Recovery Professional in various scenarios, I have found that Stellar's Deep Scan mode recovers lots of corrupted videos and images that cannot be repaired through this recovery software. Moreover, the speed of the deep scan is slow and takes a lot of time while using other apps. Here are some solutions to reduce the time taken by the deep scan mode. Turn off the preview function to increase the scanning speed. It's a small tip for pro users that you should turn off the preview when using deep scan mode. This way, your scanning speed will be increased. Avoid using multiple apps while you are using deep scan mode to restore your permanently deleted data from your PC. Stellar Data Recovery Professional is a great tool for individual users who want to restore a small amount of deleted data. However, if you wish to retrieve huge data without worrying about corrupted videos and photos, then you should definitely upgrade your Stellar Data Recovery Professional to Stellar Data Recovery Premium. To do that, open the advanced settings and select the upgrade icon. It will redirect you to Stellar's official website where you can purchase Stellar Data Recovery Premium. If you found this video informative, then hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get regular updates on data recovery. Thanks for watching this video.